I will start with locations, of course. The application that I use more frequently for locating map is the GPS Motion X. And it's a free version, but the one I have here is the pro version, which costs 99 cents one time. So it's nothing. I usually, when I'm in the field, I just connect the cell phone to the lighter in the car and let it work all the time. So it will track all my movements, etc. And as you can see in a couple of seconds, the application have the advantage to work not only with the tower, the cell tower, but it works directly